Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to freeze frame in CapCut, creating freeze frame effect easy CapCut tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and freeze a certain instance onto your clip, then you're on to the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do is to open CapCut onto your device. So as you can see, we're currently already in here, and I have added already a clip that I want to use. So this is a video in here, and we're gonna go ahead and freeze a certain part of it. So if you haven't added your clip as well, just import onto your end there. Just click onto this blue plus icon and then browse onto your different files and then click on import to add in the clip that you want to use. Right after you have imported a clip already in here, it's time to go ahead and add it onto the timeline. So just simply drag and drop the video in here. So hold it and drag it here onto the timeline just like that. Now right after, what we need to do is to hover onto the place wherein you want to go ahead and add in the freeze effect. So for example, if you want to freeze it over here wherein the girl's hand is already up, we'll have to click onto this icon in here or the freeze icon. So just simply click onto that. And as you can see, it did added a clip in here wherein it is a static image or a freezed image of the clip. So we'll go ahead and start back again right after the freeze clip is done. So you could also adjust this as per your liking, or you could trim this to lessen its duration. So it should go ahead and look something like this if you play it. So as you can see, it did created a freeze frame effect, and you could also do the same thing here onto the bottom part of it, just like that. And this trick is actually very helpful if you want to go ahead and want to lengthen or adjust the duration of your clip. So if you want to go ahead and make this longer, then you could go ahead and add in freeze frame effect onto your clips just like this. And that is how to freeze frame in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.